Kiddie is the title of a brand new paper collection from our friends at Mintay from Poland, and this has such charming artwork. Let me show it to you. They are 12 by 12. On the back of the cover, well, this is going to give you a look at what those little critters look like. There are, let's see, 35 detailed cutouts along on this sheet. And then let me show you the 12 sheets that are included in the paper collection. Now you're going to get 2 of each one, and they are on a cardstock. They are double-sided, but I really wanted you to see those just charming bunny, the mice, and up here. Now, scrapbookers, you know that you're going to put photographs here, maybe here, really let that space be used. Card makers, think of it in terms of quarters. So you've got one card there, you've got a vertical card there, another horizontal there, and another card right there. Or look at the back side, and you've got paper that will correspond to everything that you've just seen. Oh, isn't that just charming? Again, think in terms of quarters. You've got lots of things going on. The back side is just a very pretty, the same pattern that we just saw, but in the soft corals. Look at this, just charming. Don't you think it's just charming? So we have it on this side, and on the back side, we've got a green, kind of a mint. Here we've got all over florals, very pretty. On the back side, we have a plaid. Here we have another plaid at an angle, and on the back side, we've got an all-over print. Now this sheet is one of the cutouts, and you can see that there are 12 on this sheet, but you're getting 2 sheets of every single one. So you've got 24 cutouts, all of them coordinated, all of them absolutely charming. So we are delighted to welcome Mintay to the Paper Wishes site and to our collection, and I think our customers are just going to love them.